Welcome to Joy's Kitchen Awareness. So today I'm going to be trying something new. I'm going to be making moimoi. My big blender is bad, so I'm going to be using this dry method. This one that grinds dry. I've not used this method before, so let's see how it is going to come out. I've measured out the blender, the quantity I want, and then I've picked it so that there is no dirt in it. So I'm going to be blending in batches. Normally you're supposed to remove the skin of the beans so that it doesn't change the color. So let's blend the first batch first and see how it comes out. So this is the okay, I think this will work. Okay, what I'm going to do, I won't blend smooth at first so that I can try to remove some of the skin. Okay, I think that is what we will do. So let's do it this way. So I'm using this to filter the skin. Oh, some of the skin are still passing through. So we try to pick out the skin. So the first step, I'm going to blend it not too smooth like this, so that we can remove some of the skin. After this first blending, I'm going to take out the black heads so that our beans don't get dark after preparing. So this will take a while. I'm going to take my time to remove it like this. I'm going to be doing it off camera because it's going to take me quite a long time to do that. I'm going to be reblending this to powder. So this is what we'll remove from it. I'll place some here, so let's blend it. Let's increase the number. Trying to make sure it's as smooth as possible. I'm going to reblend this again. So not smooth, these ones are not smooth yet, so let's reblend it. Water. So this was the first one. So now I'm going to mix everything together. And this was the other one that we reblended. So this is what we have. I think we have tried with the cleaning. So let's add hot water. So we add the water gradually, but we don't overdo it. Try to make sure that the ones in the corner are mixed as well. So add some more hot water. So let me use this to turn it to make sure that it's well mixed. The crayfish. Apple. So you can test it to know if the pepper is okay. So just add according to your taste. Onions. Now I'm going with the oil. Seasoning cube. Salt. So let me wash my hands so I can taste it. I'm going to test for salt. I'm using this. I'm sorry, it's covering. This is becoming my favorite, no more steaming. I'm going to put it at 10 minutes. Alright, so let's check if it is ready. So this is it. It's ready. Giving this a try. This is Joy's Kitchen Awareness. You see it. So that is it. Our moimoi is ready. So if you are stuck and your big blender is bad and you still want to enjoy moimoi, just use this method. And let me know in the comment section what you think about this method. This is Joy's Kitchen Awareness. Like, share, and please subscribe to the channel if you are yet to. I'll see you again with another recipe. Until then, bye. Thanks for watching.